In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list an auction on eBay. Whether you're clearing out some clutter or looking to make some extra cash, putting items up for auction on eBay is a fantastic way to reach a wide audience of potential buyers. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure your auction listing is both effective and easy to understand. First up, head over to eBay's website. Simply type in ebay.com into your browser's address bar, and when you land on the home page, enter your account credentials to log in. It's important to check that you're using the right account, especially if you manage more than one, to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Sell option. Clicking Sell will lead you into the realm of creating and managing your listings. This section serves as your command center for all your selling activities. Now, you'll want to navigate to the Listings tab. It's usually located in the top menu, making it easily accessible. Depending on your preferences, you can either create a brand new listing or select a draft of an unfinished listing you'd like to work on. If you're opting to work on a draft, make sure to hit Drafts, where you'll see a list of all your saved drafts. Click Resume Draft on the item you intend to complete, and you'll be taken directly to the editing interface. This allows you to review and polish all the specific details of your item right before finalizing the listing. Next, scroll comfortably down to the Pricing section. This is where you decide between a fixed price or an auction. Here you'll select the auction format. Auctions can be particularly exciting as they invite competitive bidding, which potentially drives up the final sale price. Making these selections in the pricing section signals to buyers that your item is up for grabs to the highest bidder. Don't forget to double check the duration of your auction and any reserve prices you might want to set. This adds a fun twist and can help ensure that your item sells for a price you're comfortable with. Before hitting that final Publish button, review everything one last time. Ensuring all details are accurate, from the item description to the photos and pricing, can make a difference in appealing to potential bidders. Once everything looks good, go ahead and list your item. By following these steps, you'll have a well-structured auction listing ready to attract buyers from all over. Start small. Learn the ropes, and soon you'll find your rhythm with eBay auctions. Happy selling, and I look forward to seeing your success on the platform.